The Tortoise and the Hare. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a tortoise named Timmy and a hare named Harry. Timmy was slow but steady, while Harry was fast but arrogant. One sunny morning, Harry challenged Timmy to a race. Laughing, he said, "I bet I can beat you to the finish line before you even get started." Timmy smiled calmly and accepted the challenge. The forest animals gathered around to watch the race, excited to see who would win. As soon as the race began, Harry dashed ahead, leaving Timmy far behind. Harry was so confident in his speed that he decided to take a nap under a shady tree. Meanwhile, Timmy plodded along steadily, never giving up. He kept moving forward, one step at a time, focused on the finish line. Hours passed, and Harry woke up to find Timmy approaching the finish line. Panicked, Harry sprinted as fast as he could, but it was too late. Timmy crossed the finish line first, to the cheers and applause of all the forest animals. Harry realized that slow and steady wins the race. From that day on, he became more humble and learned to appreciate the value of patience and perseverance. And as for Timmy, he proved that even the slowest can achieve great things with determination and a steady pace. And so, in the forest of life, remember the tale of the tortoise and the hare, and always keep moving forward no matter how slow you may be. The end.